Congratulations on the recent purchase of your new IOGEAR dual video capture adapter. This first of 2 tutorials will walk you through the hardware setup for your new device. Your purchase comes with the UpStream Pro dual video capture adapter, USB connector cables, power adapter, camera mount, and instruction manual. Before installing, prepare the following: HDMI source devices and displays, audio sources, and your mobile device. Supported OS and requirements include the following hardware and software. To connect the dual video capture adapter unit, first plug the power adapter cable into the power jack. Then connect your first HDMI source device to the HDMI 1 input port. Next, connect your second HDMI source device to the HDMI 2 input port. Now, connect the HDMI program output port to an HDMI-enabled display. Connect your USB-B to USB-A or USB-B to USB-C cable to your device. Connect your XLR audio source to the analog 2 input port. Finally, download the IOGEAR UpStream Essentials app to pair up the adapter. Be sure to enable location services or GPS function. To display HDCP protected content to the connected HDMI display without video capture, flip the HDCP switch to on. Finally, if you wish to use the camera mount adapter, screw the mount plate to the bottom of the dual video capture adapter with the provided screws. For your convenience, the dual video capture adapter is compatible with the Terranex Mini Rack Shelf. Please follow the link below for our second tutorial video, which will walk you through the software setup for your new device.